What up, people? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Weekly Forex Forecast live edition with me, Eivindfx, and you, the entire world. Welcome very much to this live. I hope that you are well. Have you rested well? And today, we're gonna prepare for the new week. We're coming into June. We are 6th of June today. Welcome very much. We have survived so far throughout this year. And we're going to continue making more moolah. Ba-da-bum. Congratulations. So, welcome to the best place on earth. Oh, we forgot to give you guys the... Oh no, we forgot to tell you guys that you are live right now. Ooh, nice. Okay, so everyone. Cool, and then they're there, and then go on to my, there you are, there. What else? Where else should we post this thing, hey? Have you guys posted this to your, have you guys posted this to, what do you guys call it nowadays? You call it eToro forum thing? Has anyone posted it there? That'd be great, you know, I would love that, you know. So cool. Then here we are, Cash King. You're running around taking pictures. Yeah, I was having a really good day. Hello, Magnus. Very much welcome to you too. So, computer says no data. That is very strange. Why are you saying no data? I want data. Oui. Okay. So, welcome everyone. Hope you're having a great day. Then, I want to mention what and what. That I want to be. Sarah, hello. Are you new? I haven't seen you around before. That's all. And if you guys are coming back to what happened? Hello, back from Italy. Italiano, bravissimo. So yeah, happy holidays. This is my holiday. I am taking holiday from Pepsi Max. So yeah, hope you enjoy that. Then we can I have to stop doing that though. Okay, cool. So, yo, Lieutenant, yes, sir. Straight in the back, forward, chest. Okay, let's go. I have to stop that. I haven't looked in Traders Away, We Trade Waves guy, but what does he say? He says up. He says Australia going up for correction, and then we fall. Okay. DXY has one more down, then up. Okay, cool. S&P 500 looking bullish. Okay, cool. So, how is my trading idea going, by the way, people? Anyone know? It kind of went to target. It wasn't the target I wanted, but you know, it is what it is, I guess. Euro, anyone? Yeah, almost. Merci. Just subscribe. Welcome very much. Hello, Andreas. Eif. You sound German, maybe. That's MFX, Israel or Palestine. That has none to do with my live today, so I have no opinion, by the way. That has none to do with my live today. So that is not why we're here, is it? We're supposed to look if gold is going to go up or down. That's kind of what we're doing. Okay? So if you want political things, sorry, not the way, not this channel. How about you join me, Bidal? Muszę ci zanem, Mercy. How about you come? Nime poa. So for those who doesn't understand, that was Swahili. So let's first question today. First question. What pair should we cover today? Should we cover? Which pair should we cover? Is there anything at all? What is it? Of course, if you're a YouTube member, you are first priority. So I don't know, which one should I make today the best? Which link should I put out there today for you guys to enjoy links, going through some links. I don't know. Discord channel? Do you like Discord? I don't know if you guys like Discord. I have a free Discord channel. So we can go free Discord channel. I think that works. And then that is you. Then we have free Discord. Want help? Then you go to free Discord. And then if you want mentorship. Mentorship? Question mark. And then I need to go there. Ewinningstrategy. I need to go this one. And then Sonda. Now, first of all, I'm giving you the free link first, so that you can enjoy that. And then mentorship. Cool. And then we put up there. Cool. So, there we go. Thanks very much, you're very much welcome. Is there any scenario for EURUSD to go bearish? And Andreas, if you were reading, which we're reading today, we were reading the ECB expectations for this week. What we're expecting, or what could be bullish for the euro, would be if Christine Lagarde makes any attempt to say, we're going to start reducing our purchase. So that could be bullish for the euro. I don't want euro to be bearish, by the way. But is there any signs? Is in every scenario EURUSD can go bearish? Well, dollar. You need for dollar to go bullish. Is there any situation where dollar goes bullish? Tapering. If Fed starts talking about tapering, that's dollar bullish move. If the 10-year T-note, US 10Y, goes higher, that's another time where, that's a dollar bullish, euro dollar move. So what you need to do is, you need to look to dollar. What dollar doing? So whatever dollar is doing, euro will do opposite kind of a thing. And because most of the trade happens between dollar and euro. So whenever dollar goes strong, it has to come from somewhere. Money comes from somewhere. Mostly comes from Europe. So when dollar goes weak, mostly goes to Europe. When dollar goes strong, it normally comes from Europe. So you need to kind of look into that. So when you have this, let's look at the COT reports. I'm not going to bother you with COT reports. You need to have looked at it already. You need to have made up your opinion about it already. So if you look into the COT reports for the COT, dollar, and euro, and we start to, I wanted to buy one of these flasks. They don't have anything left in the store. So now they're giving me commercial for something I don't want. I want this one, not that one. That is true. That one's almost the price of one of that one, and those two together, I only would need one. That one is a conditioner. It cost me 400 kronor. This is costing 129. Bro, why is it 300 kronor more for something I don't want? Jesus! Anyways, coming into the COT report for, is it the euro? Yeah, and then we're going into asset managers. They are, so far throughout 2021, increasing their positions as of late. They're increasing. And throughout 2020 as well, and then from December as well, going in, buying more. Coming into dollar, on the opposite side, that is supposed to fall. So it fell in November, December until that one, and fell from here. So, whatever goes from Europe goes to American, and vice versa. Okay? So, I think that's kind of explained, not through my brain, but what I see through allocation of money. This is asset managers, real positions, real contracts in the market. Cool? Cool. Should gold go up or down? Wow. That is okay. I can do that. I can do gold. New Zealand dollar, Michael says. Okay, we can do this in dollar because he's a YouTube member. Costs you $5 a month to get your priority. Where's gold going, MFX? So we are back to Forex now. Then we can go back to Forex now. So then we have another one to look into is this seasonality for the US dollar index. It says to us that we are supposed to fall in this week. This week we're supposed to fall. We didn't fall last week, so we need to fall this week. And then if you go to seasonality charts, and then we go to maybe gold. Seasonality charts gold. We're supposed to rise and then fall hard in June. And somewhere in between there, we're supposed to... Oh, it's supposed to be in here, actually, to be honest. Gold is here. Oh, I forgot to do that. So we're supposed to fall... No, rise in June. Fall hard and then go higher. So, what should we do then? What are we doing then? Then we should be expecting a fall in gold. Is currently gold falling? It made a low. It kicked out a lot of people. Okay? So we'll look into that soon. The reason why I tell you to do gold soon is because Michael, who is a YouTube member, come with requests and I will attend those first. So, Michel, is that... Okay, we're still holding support. I hate that fall, by the way. So we're still kind of in a range. Are we going to be buyers down here? I would love that my brain would tell me to buy here. It didn't tell me to buy here. Are we going to be buying in this medium term? It's $100, 100 pips up to top. Okay? It's 100 pips up to top. So for me, yeah. Maybe a small one. Maybe a small one if you get a pullback. But don't break the bank on it. You know, just, you know, carefully, you know. Just carefully engage in this one. I would probably not engage when I look at this market. So I will just wait. I would hope it could get a direction lower or higher or something. But so far it hasn't. So it is what it is, I guess. Okay. Andreas says, nice, thank you. So for those who just got some interesting information, please give this live. This is the only time I'm going to say it. Please give this live a like if I gave you any new information you never knew before. Okay? So I'm going to go into information you probably didn't know before. Okay? Cool. What is that, by the way? The information you should be knowing already is that by 16th of June we are done. You shouldn't trade much about past 16th of June. Probably buying euro at around 7th of June. And we're coming into August, we might fall. And I'm gonna buy around mid-August. Did you know that? I don't think you knew that. So just in that, I already planned out June for you. I said I'm going to be dollar bear now. I'm going to stop trading in June 16th. I'm going to come back second week or end of first week in July and buy the end of that month. Your dollar is going to fall first week of August, and then I'm going to pick it up mid-August. Third week probably. Let's see if that works out. But I'm going to start hoping to build. I'm not going to start building, but I would hope that I will still have some positions left going into the rest of the year. Okay? So, New Zealand dollar is in a range. I would love it to come up to 174. No, 74, sorry, only. And after that, it can fall a bit more. Then going higher, I don't know. But I want it up there. It's not there. So if you have a position, just hold it. And if you don't have a position in it, probably not. Probably not. Probably not. Probably not. Cool. Cool. How do you place your key levels? This is an indicator called pivot points. I can just say that, and I can do this, and I would do, let's see, I can do that, I can do that, and I can do that. Price action, support and resistance zones, okay? So, pretty straightforward, nothing in between, you know, just nothing stupid, nothing, like you should have knowledge enough to know that these are key important levels. Look, what's happened to the music today, people? So yeah, support and resistance 4-hour time frame. When market is a lot of movement here, I don't care. Okay. Are you also analyzing cryptocurrency? Like, yeah, I can do Bitcoin. Yeah, sure. So next one is, which is next one? Pound yen has been asked for. Gold has been asked for. Somebody subscribed. So, what can we do to give you even more knowledge today? Louise has become a member. Louis, oui. How are you doing, Mike? You're a long-time member, by the way. You're not new, are you? No. Maybe something. So, I was supposed to do something here. Gold. Are you guys leaving me if we do gold? Yes or no? I need answers on that. If I do gold, are you guys gonna leave me? If you guys leave me, I would never do it in the beginning again. Okay? So this is a test. If I do gold, are you then gonna leave? If you leave, I will not do it again in the beginning. I will just take it until the end when you guys are tired, like, okay? When you guys are sporing and tired. Let me put out something first for you. If you are a buyer, just have in mind what I'm just about to tell you. If you are a buyer, these are your key levels. I knew that here. I didn't want it to happen, but it happened. So, this is your buy price. This is your buy price. This is your buy area. If you are a buyer. If you bought up here, okay, cool. But you didn't survive the fall, did you? So, I want this to go higher. But I recognize this is resistance, okay? I understand this is resistance. So, I'm not going to be a buyer there, am I? Like, I'm not stupid. So, I see that's resistance. I see this is support. So if price comes back down in there again, I will probably take it. Then I want a higher high. Then I want a pullback and I want to take it up again. Up to 2,000, something like that. Okay? Straightforward. That means I'm not buying here, I'm not buying here, I'm only buying down here. So if I then go into the weekly pivots, that is weekly M2. Weekly M2, what is that? The best buy price you can take, and market has to respect it. So, when it comes to pivot point theory, I should be a buy between this price and this price. I will take it away, and I will look. Does that make sense? It makes a lot of sense. Do I want a full retracement of that candle? I don't know if I want to, but it's kind of what I would like to have. Okay, so now where would you put your stop loss? Below here. Can you hold gold so long from 72 all the way down to 50? Probably not. Should that be an asset for you? That's up to you. So when we come down to this price, you go down to a smaller time frame. You then say, oui, I need to look for a buy. I will then, I will then look for some kind of reversal. So if it comes down here, I would either look for it bouncing off hard. If it doesn't, I need to have a double bottom, higher high, higher low. How do you know that? probably in the 15-minute time frame, and then you buy here. I'm never the first one to buy, okay? Never the first one to buy, but I'm the second one. But until then, I'm done. Yeah. So I think it's gonna go higher. I can be wrong, but I acknowledge that's a lower low, that's a lower high. It could technically go lower. Also mention, it can go lower before going higher again. That's why I don't have a lot of risk here. I'm not gonna lose my life. I'm not gonna lose my trade account just because if it goes lower. Okay? You need to have dart entries, specific ones, good entries at good levels. Get out when you're wrong, so you don't lose too much. Also, when you lose, you don't lose your whole account. Okay, cool. Ivan, I need to chat with you, and I'm sorry for taking this publicly, though. I apologize, but I just have to because I have you right now. So, when I do at everyone, so at every, I get your name first. So if I try to add everyone on Discord, I get your name first. And because you're called Evan Fernandez on Discord. So can you change your nickname to Fernandez or something? Just not Evan first. But because I tagged you I think 3 times today before I saw it, and because I just type at and then every and then ever, and then I'm supposed to have everyone. But you jump on first, so if I tag you, I'm sorry. No worries, bro. But you know, so you're long pound New Zealand. So gold, is that okay for everyone? Is that okay? You should be giving me a thumb up, like, and a comment, and all those nice things because I give gold to you already. Chief, how are you, my brother? I called you. You know, I called you. Where are ya? Alright? I was going to show you the beautiful view I was out at. It doesn't really matter. You know, you missed it. It's that kind of view, but you know. So what price, Michael? What price? Yeah, I know. Don't worry, Heartache. Don't worry. Sorry, Evan. Well, 2 a.m. Then you're in Malaysia or something. Oh, I'm sorry for being so late with you. Oh my god. Oh no. No. Don't do that. Then you get all my notification and your phone is going to blow up like a balloon. That's gonna be a lot of fun. Mercy says very important information on gold. Thank you. 96.43. Okay, so you bought very high. Monthly, not so good. Weekly, why are you buying so high? 96.43. Why? That's very high, bro. Okay, not that high, but okay, a bit higher than current price. Okay. Yeah. As M2 suggests, all the way down to 95.50 is kind of okay buy price. I don't know how much you lose though. I don't you loss. But I think your entry is a bit high, as I would have probably also done the same. My mistake as well. But yeah. So what's your target, Mike? Up to 199.50. Yeah, cool. Yeah, that's very true, bro. Alright, so if somebody came to my live to laugh, I am in a good mood today, so you're much welcome. You are very much welcome. So today I have a joke for you. Alright, I don't know if I've told you before, but so there was a kid and a mother, and the kid started to paint with a roller on her not her cha-cha, her the thing she sits on. The thing she sits on. So she starts to roll on her with paint, and the mother is very confused, like son, why are you doing that? Why are you rolling? Why are you rolling me? And the kid answers, well, on the box it says only roll on flat surfaces. Anyways, I'll continue with my life. So we had gold, we had New Zealand, we have. Should gold go down or up? I want it to go up, but if it goes down, I'm not dying. I don't want you to die either. And then we can go to pound yen. So pound yen, as of today, I would probably take in a buy position at 154.20 and 153.33. Maybe not. So I'm just taking this one. I'm gonna have a buy here if I was a trader on this pair, and I would wait for it to come that back down, or if it makes a higher high, and I will take that. Where's your stop loss, mate? And on yen, I probably would have 100 pips. So that's just down to M2. And another buy here would then leave me at 100 again. So if I was to trade pound yen today, I probably need to cut my lot size in half. Cut it in half, divide by 2. So I don't risk too much, because this is a lot of pips falling. And we're still just in a range. So until it breaks higher or lower. But I still believe that if it comes back down to this 154 level, I think it can bounce. Why? Because we haven't really tapped into buy prices yet. And then coming into the weeklies, yeah, we are kind of narrow, true, or very narrow on the pivots for this week. So just go with the week. Just go with the monthly. Okay, just go with the monthly. That would probably be the best one. So what's your target, mate? What's your target, mate? Where did you go? There you are. Target is 158.50. Cool. 158.50. What else? BTC. We can do BTC, and then I will go to back my roll. How I roll. We have not gone above 40,000, so I'm not bullish. It is bearish. This is bearish. It is still tilted to the downside because it hasn't broken higher high yet. So until then, it is sideways, down, or whatever. So that's kind of what I want to see. Until then, I will not buy in this kind of market condition. Straightforward, nothing else. Target 64. It can go higher. It can go higher, but it hasn't gone higher, so I can't buy higher yet. I can't buy in anticipation of something happening when I don't have the market conditions, because I don't have the probabilities with me. All right, cool. All right. Yeah. So Hardik, what are you looking at today? I know you sometimes have some interesting pairs to look at, but yeah. Okay, so DXY sold off the price, came down to the buy price. I want this to continue lower. It didn't do the first week, so we just have attempt this week. And yeah, US 10-year T-note is supposed to fall. I want this to fall. If it starts rising, that would probably talk about tapering, and that would be bad for dollar. That would be dollar bullish. And for the S&P 500, you were supposed to have a buy here on the month, and now it's gone higher, now it's gone. You were supposed to have a buy here and a buy here, and now it's gone. You're supposed to have a buy here and it never came. You're supposed to have a buy here and a buy here, and it's gone. So that's kind of how you do it. That's how you roll, brother. Boom. Okay? Only buy support, only buy the buy zones. And then how this is going for you, it's going pretty good. It's a higher high, but it's always going to be a higher high as long as the market is still rising. Yeah. What else? I didn't mention to you what my plans was for June, July, and August in this live. So if that doesn't make you subscribe, I don't know. But what I've done with me. Somebody has a plan. Somebody has a foresight of what market would do in a couple of months already. Oil was requested for Dunkirky. Welcome very much, bro. Welcome. Welcome. Amazing, brother. Oil looks overextended. There is coming more buyers in this last week. It looks overextended. It looks like it can fall down to 65 and then go higher. Just have that in mind. Or 67. So far, it's very extended. It can still go higher, by the way. Gold did this, and then that, and then now it's here. The question becomes, does it fall? Does it rise? We don't know. But if you have a bias, this is where you sell. This is where you buy, and then you kind of go from there, okay? Tesla. We can actually haven't done Tesla in a very long time, though. That'd be cool. So Tesla might fall, by the way, people. Because of the Tesla index, because of the proposed new international, multinational tax that is coming in from whatever G7 countries, this one might have a drop on Monday. Okay? That's what I'm thinking, first of all. Second of all, is this bullish? Nope. This is not bullish. And it has had a very high run, and it has had a pullback of 78%. Cool, interesting. So what do we do here? Is this a good buy? No, that's not a good buy. Is this a good buy? Yes. That's a good buy? Yes. That's a good buy? Yes. That's a good buy? Yes. Boom! And the question becomes then, what are we doing now? New higher high buy, new higher high buy, new higher high buy. Then another thing for you motorheads is that this doesn't need to be support because it doesn't make a higher high, so it could still fall further until it starts going back up again. I don't know when that day is, but it looks like probably October this year might be a good day again, good time again. Okay, so stock market rises well from October. So, as you can see here, this is actually the... Do I have that one on Tesla? Test. I don't have Tesla. It seems to me like until June, it has a it stops falling in June and then rises. Okay? June. Rises in June. So, maybe there's seasonality to June. Maybe there's seasonality to June. I don't know. So, is it coming in this year? I don't know. But you're definitely there now, so maybe this is the bottom, actually. After the fall, and then a rise. Cool. Congratulations. That's what I would do. Just wait for the open and see how the open is. If there's nothing happening, nothing is happening, everything is good. But I think it's going to have a spike. Sounds like a good plan. Thank you very much, John Kirky. Oh, Evan, did you change your nickname, or am I going to change? I don't know how can I change it for you. It's just the Evan at the beginning. That's all. But if you didn't do it, I will try to find something else to do. Because I don't want to make you a new account. I don't want to change your name either. That's part wrong of me. But anyways. Just so you are aware of it. So if I tag you all the time, my point was, if I tag you all the time, I am probably too tired to remember that I need to change it to everyone. So, Australian dollar yen. Okay? What are we doing here? That's a buy. That's a buy. That's your stop loss. And stop loss is 50 here and probably 50 here too. That kicked you out. Are you going to buy it again? Potentially, yeah. And yeah, I think I would buy it again. May for higher high, buy it again. Higher high, buy it again. Up to 86 something. And if you're a seller, this is probably where you sell again. This is where you sold, this is where you sell again, and this is where you target. Straightforward, nothing else. I'm just going to make your plan very easy for you. Okay, that is kind of that thing there. And then for the short sellers, this is what you did already. Cool. Short sellers are here. So choose your team. I don't know which team you're going to be in. I'm not going to be the bulls. So you choose you, and I'm gonna make that the green, maybe, no, I don't know. Blue line, maybe? The blue line, teal. Which one is easier for you to see? This one, maybe? Yeah, blue line. Very much. So, Evan, remember to leave with a like, though. That's all. Okay. So, that's kind of also yen, CAD yen. I don't really want to do that. Euro yen. It hasn't turned around yet, so I would probably not buy it yet. But I would soon buy it. And, I mean, soon, that could be today. That could be tomorrow. So, what I have told you already in the YouTube live for members, I need a higher high, I need a pullback, I need a higher high pullback. So I'm probably going to buy this one. Stop loss below the current low. And good or not, mate. Straightforward planning. Straightforward planning. What's important news for this next week? There is the ECB meeting on Thursday. There is the Bank of Canada on Wednesday. There is the US CPI on Wednesday. There's some trade balance out of China. So those are the major ones. There are some small in between as well that I can't remember on the top of my head. But if you just go to fxtrade.com, I'm not in whatsoever paid by them to give you guys those calendars. Use whatever calendar you want. And I just made it for the most important ones. BOC on Wednesday at 4 p.m. my time. GDP out of Europe on Tuesday. And CPI out of Thursday. Sorry, Thursday. And then G7 meeting. Okie dokie. Cool. Ba-da-bum. Boom. Congratulations. Did somebody subscribe? I don't know. Nobody. Okay. How many subscribed today already? So one guy joined the YouTube live community today, my YouTube members today. That's cool. Thank you very much. The other thing I want to mention then for Aussie is that it's seasonality-wise has a good month until August. And then from August, it falls. So, if we can just get a buy in this Aussie thing, maybe we'll get a good deal in the end then. So, hopefully, that is going to help us out. Bit of gold. Next pair. Okay. Next Paris. Pair. USD. Nobody asked for USD yen anymore. Is that because of my hate on USD yen? Okay. I'm sorry. What did you take on yen early next on the yen? I think yen is supposed to do something next week. You're onto something. There's GDP out of yen on Tuesday. So I hope for it to fall. So yen pairs can rise, I hope. It's not necessarily very easy thing, but I hope it falls. So seasonality wise for yen is what is it? Is it supposed to fall? I think it's supposed to fall, by the way. But it's a bit difficult because against the dollar. So it's supposed to fall, it rises. Okay, it's supposed to strengthen in June. Yeah. Okay, so yen pairs are supposed to fall in June. And then rise mid-1. So that, okay. That also implies it has to be at the top, which some of them are. And then by mid-August. Okay. Cool. Mid-August then. So I will just wait for yen pairs probably by mid-August because as far as I remember, July is a pain in the back. And a bit lower than the back as well. Okay. Thank you, Ivan. What do you want in return? Do you want some nice... what do you want? What do you want in return? Flowers? I can buy you flowers, I guess. I don't know. I saw a TikTok the other day that the first time a man is ever going to receive flowers is at his funeral. Which is painfully true. sometimes. So just trying to be good, doing good. Would you like sushi more? Maybe I should ask DoorDash in Malaysia or Singapore to give you some sushi. I love sushi, by the way. And wasabi, maybe not sushi is not your favorite though, but yeah, I like sushi. So when men gives gifts, they give based upon their own personal preference, by the way. So if a guy gives you something, he probably wants it himself, right? So okay. Then yeah, I just want it to go down. That's all. Cool. Because of dollar. USD Swissy was one pain in the back. So I said sell here, and it just gone. And then it came down again. Okay, now what do we do now? I don't know, brother. Maybe a pullback somewhere and then fall, or if it just falls and then pull back. I don't know. Have both. I don't know. I hate these situations. Maybe just stay out of them. So technically, people, technically, I'm going to tell you something, okay? It can fall and then rise. It can fall and rise, or it can rise and fall. Like, the thing is, support here, support here, support here. Like, there's all these places you can go from, and all of them are valid. Like, oh yeah, of course, you use that support. So it's like this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one. So all of them are like valid places to go higher from as a counter attack, right? And that is what's difficult with range trading compared to trend trading, is because when you are trend trading, you have high, low, pullback, sell. Yeah, this one didn't work out, but give or take though, and then sell, 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 stop. So yeah, it's difficult when it's not trending. So probably not. Hello, Carolina. Very much welcome, mademoiselle. New Zealand Swissy, not really a good one. Pound Swissy, range bound. Euro Swissy, range bound. CAD Yen's range bound. Australian dollar Swissy, nothing. Saeed just subscribed to the channel. Very much welcome, brother. Thank you. I welcome you to this YouTube community. Okay, I'm a bit... I don't know why I'm going so fast with this. I only have 30 minutes past. 43 minutes past. Okay, cool. That makes sense. But I'm already feel like I have clear vision for you guys. I'm looking for dollar bearishness. I'm looking for 50 pips or more on my stop losses. I have already given you some targets. I've already given you which ones I would like to trade. So this one could be the one I would like to trade. Euro is definitely the one I want to trade, but it's a lower high, lower low, lower high. We have done euro dollar in this actually. It's quite cool. We can do that. Cool. So euro, that's a low, that's a pullback I want to take, and probably somewhere will be my buy. So depending on the open, I will take that or that. Oops, that was bad. Bad boy. 21.4, 21.34. And the reason why I will take it up is because of my bullish bias. But this is definitely a place to sell. So I know I need a lower price. And I know I'm going to have a stop loss down here. And I already know, since I know it's going to be a terrible place to buy, and I know it's already turning kind of painfully bearish, I'm not going to be aggressive. If it makes a higher high, I will pay the pullback. If then. And then up to 23.80. As I mentioned on Traders Nick section, 23.80, and I mentioned also pound dollar. Let's see if I can remember that. Yeah, great plan of USD TP on 23.80 for pound. We need to break higher for confirmation of bullish buys. Possible to start with smaller lots on support, base of range. So yeah, so 3 likes, not even myself. You know, I like to like my own comments. So cool. That's kind of the other YouTube things I've done today. Dunkirky has already commented. Thank you very much. Boom, Dunkirky, you're here as the star of this show today. Okay. What else? Pound, as I said, need to find support or going higher, or going higher high and then buy. Either here. Either buying here. Either buying here or buying here. I don't know which one's going to be. Okay. Oui. I will probably be on Zoom meetings tomorrow morning, and I hope you're doing well there too. Let's hope for a profitable wave. Safir Ahmad asks, "Do you follow Retrade Waves?" No, I'm subscribed to his channel, but I cannot, under any circumstances, so I don't have any. I don't know. I don't understand what he does. I'm sorry. I can't explain it to you. I can't fathom. I cannot understand it. But it comes to same conclusions, same entries, same target. That's the only thing I can explain it with him. I have had a personal chat with him, and he explains his methods. And I admire him as a YouTube community member, as someone who has a large following. But other than that, I've not done his chart, I've not done his courses, I've not done anything close to that. So for me, it's kind of, it is what it is. Yes, I follow him on TradingView. You know, he has outlooks. I should probably do that too. And yeah, cool. But other than that, yeah. Yeah. All right, people. Have a great day. Very much thank you for joining in. And if you have any other questions, please jump in on my Discord channel. I will answer them as fast as I can whenever I have time. Okay? Good. Have a good day. And remember to leave this thing a subscription so you can come back and learn more the next days. Let's go to war. Oh, there you. Oh, you're very lucky. Very lucky. Very lucky. Very lucky. You're very lucky, Magnus. Very lucky, Magnus. So, since Magnus is Magnus, I'm gonna give him some. Cool. So, what happened? So monthly wise, that's a buy. That's a buy, and new higher high, higher low situation. You can start buying, but I don't have two hypes and two hoots about it. Maybe. It's a kind of in a range, back in the range though. So if you get it back on 27.50, maybe you can add something. But I would rather be above 28.50 though before buying again. But so something here, maybe. Don't have too much risk on it. Don't break the bank. If it takes 20% of your account, don't do it. Wait for better market conditions. Okay, cool. Great day. Cheers, mate. Kwaheri. Bada bing, bada boom, boom.